Okay, let's review this campaign right here. So, all right, welcome to the Digital Nomad Week YouTube ads campaign. This is going to be a review. It is September 3rd. We've been running traffic all week. Let's see the results. We're running a $5 a day budget, so it's not something we can really go in and check every second or every day. But now we have about $25 of ad spend, and take a look at it where we are. So we have different keywords we've tested so far. 5,000 impressions for remote positions. Conversions are a little low on that one. And digital nomad is the winning keyword as of today because, well, we've tested enough. The other keywords we have not tested that much. So location independent, remote work. You know, these are possible. Let's see what we can do with this. But yeah, we're getting about $6 per lead for someone to sign up to register for the email list. Not necessarily register for the event because that's a 2-step process. So if we had 6 people, we might have 3 or 4 people register for the event live. The second thing is we're doing placement ads. So this is the exciting stuff that you guys probably want to see. Our conversions are much higher. The conversion rate, I'd like to see the conversion rate around 1%, minimum of 1%. I'd like to see the interaction rate about the 33% mark. I do like to see those stats. Average cost is 8 cents. And let's go jump into the keywords again. So we have the demographics by age. We also have locations. So here's our placement ads. All right. Impressions. Was our top ads, top videos. No money, no food, alone in a foreign country is by far number 1. $11 and no sales. I'm probably gonna have to pause this one. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's interesting they did a video like this. It's getting a lot of views. It's just a brand new video. So it's like a travel vlog. Essentially, we're getting in front of a travel vlog here. And let's take a look at the next ones here. We have digital nomad documentary. I would say that's much better. Digital nomad packing list. Best places to retire. It could be a bad one to target in this case. Most likely the older generation is going to retire and not try to work. Best place to live in Portugal for expats. That is an excellent video. Really good. Living remotely in Chiang Mai. Digital nomad Estonia guide. Love all these keywords. And looks like this is where we want to go with the direction of the campaign. If we take a look at the videos we're getting in front of with the keyword digital nomad, it's going to be quite a lot different. So we go under, again, placements. We go under where ads are shown. We won't be able to see the exact placements, right? So it's under where ads are shown. And this will show us what channels. And they will sort them by order. Tiny Homes Guide. It's probably not a channel we want to get in front of. So what we can do with this is we can exclude from campaign. All right. Johnny FD is a digital nomad. And his channel has been blowing up as of late, just like a lot of digital nomad vlogs. That's a pretty good channel to get in front of. Really good. As I do watch that myself. Digital nomad from South Africa here. Bright Side, Wired. So you can see the keyword targeting is quite broad. We don't know what exact videos they're in front of. And it just goes down the list. You can see we got like 5 impressions for all of these. So at this point, if we're running a small campaign, as you guys can see this, that if you're running a $10 a day budget, it's most effective when you're just using placements only. You know, we don't know exactly what videos we're in front of, although some of them are pretty good. And our cost per lead is almost similar, but the placements, you know, we're spending a little bit more. So right now, I think we have to test out another week and see how we are in about a week's time and look at our results then, because right now, $100 spent, 13 leads for digital nomad keyword targeting. And then with replacements, we have just 5 leads. We're paying 3 times as more. So yeah, we're getting much more targeted traffic, which is key because we're looking for digital nomads. We're not looking for random people. So keep that in mind. We will get the results of the campaign in another week to give you guys an update. This is just a quick update.